how to put a text on a path. So let's say I have a circle here and I have this text here, and I want to put this text around this circle, or I need to have a circular text or something like that, and I want to use the circle as a template. Since the circle is an object, I just drew it. It's an object. I have to first of all, you have to select the circle, and then you go to path, object to path, to change it to a path, so that you can put this on. Now after that, you select both. You go to shift and you select also the text in addition, and then you go to text, and then you say put on path, and then you put it on the path. Now if you see this, you can it asks if both are selected, you can either move them like normal, or you can also make them small together. But in case you want to really make only the circle smaller, you can just select the circle, only the circle, and make it smaller. And as you make it smaller, you see they meet together, or if you think it's okay, you leave it as it is. Now you can also rotate it like any other text. That's when it is not selected, you select it. When you first click it, you have this, and then when you click it again, you get this option to be able to also rotate it. Now somebody will say, okay, in case you just use this circle, but you don't want the circle to be the outside of the circle to be in, the thing you can do is that you can select both again. So we select both the text and the circle, and then you go to path, and then you say break apart. Then you've broken them apart. You can select your text away, and then if you don't need the circle anymore, you can either get rid of the circle by deleting it, or go to edit and delete, and then you have this as your end product. You can select all. If you want to deal with these individually, if not, you can just group them if you want. In the next video, I'll be looking at how to put objects repeatedly, or an object repeatedly on a path. Thank you for watching. Please help me by subscribing to my channel. Bye.